everybody, it's Patty, and welcome to my little red southern kitchen. Today we're going to do fried green tomatoes with a all-purpose sauce. I don't know if you watched my previous video, but I went to the farmer's market today and I got 4 green tomatoes that I'm going to slice up and soak in buttermilk and then fry them up. Now, I only eat these, so I'll be eating a lot of fried green tomatoes. I like to do mine on a mandolin. So, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it this way at first. I've got this on the thick blade. Uh-oh. Then down. I am terrified of this thing. There we go. Alright. Alright. Get them started. But I want to give a shout out to Ronnie over at Southern Food Junkie. He sent me a letter of encouragement yesterday. Ronnie is from Rock Hill, South Carolina. He does a lot of food reviews, makes a lot of food, and restaurant reviews especially, product reviews. His channel is just great. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box so y'all can go check him out. And tell him I sent you. So what I'm just like I said, what I'm doing is I'm just going to slice these up. And then I'm going to put them in buttermilk. So I'll bring y'all back whenever I get them sliced up. Okay guys, we're back. I finished slicing them and put some buttermilk. It's not going to marinate in it for very long, just until I get the sauce done and everything. Just cover it with buttermilk and just set it aside for a little while. You can set it in the refrigerator. Now I'm going to make a sauce, just an all-purpose sauce. It's really good on French fries. And I'm going to try, I think it will be good with my green tomatoes. And we might even try it on our burgers tonight. So what you need is a cup of Thousand Island dressing. Brand doesn't matter. Whatever brand suits you. You know, we aren't a big Thousand Island as far as going on our salads. But when we found this recipe for potatoes, we really liked it. Just like I said, you just need a cup of Thousand Island dressing. Now here you want about roughly a tablespoon of smoked paprika. Not sweet or Hungarian or anything. Smoked paprika. And then you want to take a clove of garlic. Let me find my garlic press. And put in here minced garlic. You can use regular minced garlic or whatever. I guess I don't have any of my supplies ready. You don't need to add anything else. All your spices will be in it. While I'm mixing this up, I want to tell you, did y'all hear about the man? He sent in a classified ad to the personal page in the newspaper. He said, wife wanted. The next day, he had hundreds of letters, all saying, you can have mine. So, I don't know if I told you this, but yeah, I think I did about Tony not liking fried green tomatoes. Okay, we're going to get the skillet set up with the oil and everything, and I'll bring y'all back when I'm ready to fry them. Okay, but we are back, and I've got my oil heating up, maybe about 1/8 of an inch. And in this pan, a plate, I've got a 1/2 cup of flour, doesn't matter, all-purpose or self-rising, and a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Now I do want to salt and pepper this flour, season it a little bit. I like to see my pepper, so I buy the coarse ground pepper. Mix that up. Let's see if our oil's ready. Yeah. Alright. I've got it on about a medium heat, a little bit less. My stove tends to cook a little warm, a little hotter. Now just take your tomatoes, shake off some of that buttermilk. See, your flour and stuff doesn't clump up a whole lot. I got my wet hand, and I'll try and do it, but I always get it messed up. I got my wet hand, whoops, and my dry hand, well, semi-dry. And just coat this with the flour and cornmeal mix. Shake off the excess, whoops, put it down in the pan. I'm using my Copper Chef square pan. I didn't want to use my cast iron because it would probably stick. So, you just want to cook till they're golden brown. Like I said, I've got it on a medium heat. So I'm going to get all these fried up for you, and I'll bring you back whenever I'm getting ready to turn them and take them out. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm turning these over, and I realized that I should have only bought 2 tomatoes instead of 4. So what I did, I put some up in the fridge for tomorrow. I lined them on with wax paper between them so they won't sit together, and I'll fix them for my dinner, a little snack, or my dinner tomorrow or something. Alright, well I'm finishing up these, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is, if you look over here, I put these on the wire rack. I'm going to put some of these on the plate with some of my sauce. And there you have the finished product. Thank you.